This is a used 2013 Dodge Charger. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by rear-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include electric trunk, push-button start, leather seats, alloy rims, a spoiler, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry, air conditioning, power windows. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, brake assist, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.